Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hi Colorado, this is Cleet Crocker. I'm here once again at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, and I've got a new laundry brand to talk to you about that I've never spoken to you about. And this is really the Mercedes of laundry. This is called Electrolux. It's really interesting. The reason I don't talk about it much is because when I was raised on the sales floor, that was like the most expensive thing that was out there on the sales floor. It had the best features, but it was also the most expensive. So it's not inexpensive, but the price has still come down quite a bit. And I think you should be looking at this. So here's one of the Electroluxes right here. We're just gonna talk about the washers today. And you know, my opinion is always buy a matching dryer to the washer that you're getting. That way we know it handles the size and has the right sensors for it. This one is the 400 series and it goes all the way to 600 series. So what's exciting about these? Well, first of all, what I know and remember from this brand is it's got the best vibration control of any. It's got a computer inside there that's just magnificent. It actually will spin fast through the areas where the metal kind of starts to vibrate. You know, a car, how when you get to a certain speed, it vibrates at a certain speed. You get past that speed, it goes just fine. Well, Electrolux does that too. It actually remembers, I believe, the last 100 washes, and it will skip over the speeds that cause it to vibrate the most. So that's really, really cool. I really, really like that. So that means that your washer is going to last longer. The electronics are going to last longer. It's not getting shook up all the time. It's not going to make a lot of noise in the house. But even so, they do spin very, very fast, so they come out very, very dry. They have really good washing systems. They have really good stain removal technology. This is their basic one here. Really, I'm going to skip a lot of stuff, but it's got perfect steam in there. So steam in a washer, remember what that does is that penetrates the fabric, it loosens the fabric and pops the stain loose. So it does about the same thing a stain remover chemical would do, but with this you get to do it without the chemicals. So that's really kind of cool. The other thing it has is its Lux Care wash system. So that is just the right amount of soap at the right time. It's got the right temperature of water at the right time. It's all designed to make everything work just right so you get the best cleaning ability. Beyond that, it's got the normal settings that we expect to see. Here's some here, whitest whites, heavy duty, normal. Look at that. It's got an 18-minute fast wash cycle. So that's a regular load you put in there, and it gets to 18 minutes to wash it. So we like that. And this is a really nice piece. Now let me walk you over here. Here's the next one up. And this is the 500 series. And we'll give you the actual model numbers and text on the screen. But the 500 series, you get everything that that one has. The other thing that you're going to get here is a plus wash system. So this is the Lux Care Plus Wash system from Electrolux. And what that does is the same thing the other one did, but it also brings in water. Most of your waters, they fill in from the bottom up. This one's going to do it from the bottom up and the top down. And that action there is going to cause an even better clean. It's going to get things whiter for you, get things cleaner. So it's very aggressive cleaning, also spins out really fast. But I think you really like this. You know, it's got all that technology I talked about. But with this, you know, it is the Electrolux of laundry. And I think you'll find that super good. It's got the same features that we saw below, but now we've gone to 15 minutes fast wash. So that's their fastest. And the one I'm going to talk to you about next gets even faster. But I think that that's something that you'll really care for. Now, the main thing is that you want to come in when there's availability, and there is availability in Electrolux in our stores right now. So what do you get for the next one up, which we don't have stored here, but you get the perfect steam, just like the last two. You get the Lux Care Plus Wash, just like the last one. And you also get the Smart Boost technology. So that's something that's unique to them this year. What they're doing is they're going to pre-mix. There's a certain container inside this thing that pre-mixes stain removers, detergent, the water at the right temperature, and then it ejects it in through the laundry, causing it to get even cleaner. You also get something called optic whites. Now, we know that that washer gets things very white. This washer gets things very white. Optic wash actually is a different kind of washing technology. It separates all the old washing that's going through there from the new washing that's going through there. It allows it to remain whiter, and extra rinsing is going to help with that. It's just an actual noticeable difference. If you see a white out of one of the other washers versus the white out of their top of the line, The 600 series is probably the way to go. It is the most recommended of all the Electroluxes. And remember, this is the Mercedes of laundry, so we're going to call it the Electrolux of laundry. I think you'll like it. Now, there's two colors available in most of these, and the other one is this color here. This is called titanium. So with this one right here, it's the same thing. This is the old model in the closeout. You know, we have closeouts, we have the new stuff. I'd encourage you to come in and take a look at this.